Yeah, Nick Nasty, Great White Hype, just take a break. Yeah, I'm chilling in my room. Bunch of evil people like the Legion of Doom, but I'm not the groom. No, I'm never getting married unless you're talking about smoking on the fire. I'm not the outlier, man. I be getting higher. My desire is to spit this fire, make it fucking vocally. You don't know how I be doing. No, I'm just provoking a little bit of thought what I'm after. People think that they can spell slaughter without laughter. I'm a bad dude, I'm in a bad mood, but I'm cool, not like the doodles in my book. I be doing this shit, yeah, I am the cook, but I'm no Chef Boyardee. I'm at the Arby's, eating something so yummy. You don't understand, it's going down in my tummy. Man, I'm feeling bummy, cause your boy's so broke. But when I blow up, you know that I'm about to go straight to the mall. I'm about to ball out, I'ma buy everything, get my fucking friends fresh out. What you know, we be feeling so fresh. One day I'll be famous, this is just the baby steps. Baby steps, I take a break from the mic, man. I get high cause I try to hit my pipe, man. I'm just feeling so throw me in the Great White Hype. Got it on its own.
Yeah, and I'm the Great White Hype, that is true. I just took a big bite of reality. It looked like it was meant to be. This rapper's just disposed upon of me. I fold my paper, hoping life gets better. Yeah, but I still step out the yard in rainy weather. Check up on my plans, cause life's getting better. I look up to the stars, looking if my fallen fellows still see me. I'm in the back of your head like a beanie. Yeah, it's true. Yeah, it's true. I'm rapping on the blue. Yeah, you gon' see me on iTunes, but that's not soon. This is a mixtape. Yeah, it's great, like the grape. I'm something like a swisher. Feeling good, looking good like a picture. But I'm chillin' and I got an overdose of a couple pills. I hear my heart beating and I know I should chill. But I do it again, man, I do it again. The life is fun and I ride it all the time. Not YOLO, but I'll keep it solo. Nah, never. I gotta have my boy Nick Nasty, cause together we cause street adjectives. And that's an adjective. Get past it, you rocking it like a wig.